This package deserves like angelic noises around it, so here we go. Anyway, I've had this package for about 5 days. I decided that I was just going to unbox it with you guys because I thought it would be more fun to get my like genuine reaction. So
also, this might be obvious, but I wanted to make it very clear that I purchased all of these items with my own money, and this video is not sponsored.
Okay, so basically, if you have not heard of Djerf Avenue yet, I'm gonna read their little blurb because I'm bad at explaining things. So they say, Djerf Avenue is a Swedish non-seasonal ready-to-wear brand. It's created for you by us. Born out of our love for vintage and the perfect basics, Djerf Avenue is made to embody the confident, chic, and laid-back person on the go. Each piece is created with love from design to production. We want to deliver pieces that feel timeless and that will last. All of our pieces are ethically produced and manufactured in Portugal. We design each piece to feel timeless and to work together. We want you to wear Djerf Avenue often. We want to be the basics in your wardrobe that you can always go to. And the brand was created by Matilda Djerf, who I've been following for so long and I know a lot of you guys love as well. And so that's kind of a little synopsis on it. Matilda also on her YouTube channel has a very in-depth like try-on haul that I found when I was like doing my research for this. But essentially what made me want to do my own is that I searched everywhere because I've been wanting to buy these pieces for a long time, but I searched everywhere on TikTok and on YouTube, which are both my go-tos for like size references for what I should buy or how like I want the fit to look. And I don't know if I was missing them or something, but I didn't really find any that were on a similar size body to me. So I figured why not, if I was going to make the purchase already, show you guys, and hopefully this could be helpful to some of you, just for size reference in general and that kind of thing, or just out of entertainment. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Essentially what I think drew me to these pieces were that they are basics and they can all work together. So they carry sizes extra, extra small to extra, extra large. What Matilda mentioned in her video actually was that they made it so that you can kind of play around with the sizes, and so you don't have to get your normal size. You can size up, size down, or whatever to get your perfect fit, but essentially they're supposed to be true to size. That's what I've been hearing from a lot of people. So I'm really excited. I gotta shut up. Let's get into it. Okay, so when you open the box, this is what you see. This is how it all looks and everything. I want to say I ordered 6 pieces in different sizes. Yeah, okay, so I ordered 2 pair of pants, 1 jacket, and then 3 shirts. So I wanted to try everything out, or try most things out, and if you guys want another one in the future, I can do that, but let's just dive in. Okay, the first thing that I'm pulling out are the favorite pants in black, and these are actually what I was originally just going to get. Like if I were to get one thing, these were going to be what I was going to order. I just love the way that they looked on everyone. I like that they're straight, like they feel really nice coming out of like the package. You guys can see these. Look at how high-waisted the crotch to waist ratio looks. That is what I've been looking for. These feel really, really, really nice. They're like lightweight, but still not too lightweight. Like they definitely feel like high-end like suit pant. So I'm really excited about these, but I just think this is so special, and everything about like the little details that they've put into it are amazing too. Like Djerf Avenue. Djerf Avenue, you're an angel, which I think is just so cute, made in Portugal. I got a size extra large in these, and there's a separate little tag here that has what it is and the size, and then this says, if you would like to return your purchase, the security tag must remain intact and attached to this item. So we're going to try these on. I'm going to pull one more thing out and then we'll try them on together. Maybe we'll do something like that. Next, this is another one that was like top on my list because I've been looking for a good graphic t-shirt, and this one just was calling my name. This is called the, let's see here, Djerf Avenue t-shirt. I got a size extra, extra large. And for reference, I'll put all of my sizing reference down below, but normally I'm a size 16/extra large in literally everything. That's normally my like go-to size. So when I want to like size up, I'll get an extra, extra large, and that's what I did here. So we're gonna see about the fit, but I just really like the graphic. It reminded me, if you guys live in Michigan and know the Dream Cruise, or just know the Dream Cruise in general, it kind of reminded me of a Dream Cruise t-shirt, which I love, and it just was really cute, and I think that it would be really nice under blazers, under jackets, in the summertime with shorts, whatever. So we're gonna try those 2 pieces on really quick. See, I'm gonna tuck these in. You guys, I'm so pleasantly surprised right now. I was this close to ordering a size up on the pants because I have a like weird complex. I'd rather them be too big than not fit me. So I'm always like scarred that I'm going to be disappointed. But I would say these are perfect. These are what they look like. We're gonna talk about the pants first. You can see that they're super, super high-waisted, which I truly have not found in a pair of trouser pants for myself yet. So these are going to be on repeat. I like the pleating here. Let me come up closer. If you can see that. And if you could see any of the details there. And then as far as the length goes, I'm 5'8" for reference, so I feel like a pretty average height, and they fit perfectly. perfectly. A lot of the times I have struggled where they're a little bit too short, but I'm not like tall enough to go to the tall size, you know, in pants. And so I feel like these are just overall great. I would rate them like a 10 out of 10. I don't have any complaints yet. I mean, we'll see once I start wearing them, but for right now, I really like the leg shape too. I feel like if I wanted them oversized, I could go up, and I like that I have that option, that they do go up to extra large. So, these are a yes for sure. I can definitely take the tags off of these now. As for the shirt, I would say the same thing. It fits perfectly. I would say definitely true to size. Let me untuck it so you can kind of see. It's definitely a boxier fit, which I always prefer. Again, I got a size extra large. I feel like if I got an extra large, it would be perfectly like more fitted rather than a little bit oversized. The quality feels really nice. You know how you have like your very basic t-shirt that like a lot of the band merch comes on. It's super thin. And then there's also like the super thick fabric t-shirts. I feel like this one is right in the middle of it. Really more breathable and not too thick. So I like it. I like the graphic on here. It feels really nice as well. And let me give you a little zoom in action on here, if you can see that. I think we're off to a great start. I'm gonna get the other things. Let's see. Another thing that drew me to this line was that everything is meant to work together. So it's like you could have a full closet with Djerf Avenue, like a capsule wardrobe, and all the pieces will work together, which I think is so cool. I think she also talked about that. She just was on Mariana Hewitt's podcast, and I think she mentioned something like that. I saw like a clip, but anyway. Okay, so next I have the everyday tank top in black. And in this one, I got a size large because I like my tank tops a little bit more fitted, or I'm looking for like a more fitted tank top. And this seems really stretchy, and it's ribbed. It has this really nice like shape to it. I love that, and I'm very excited to try that on. I feel like that's gonna be a great basic. Anyway, I let myself choose one jacket, and I have a lot of blazers, as you guys know, so I was like, I don't know if I really want to try a blazer, although I feel like that's like the staple from Djerf Avenue. And so I think eventually I will, but I was really intrigued by this cotton on the go jacket. Color sand, I got a size extra large. It's like this simple bomber jacket. It has the little detailing on the side with the pocket. It has the Djerf Avenue logo there. And I love the collar on it. It just feels really nice too. So I'm very excited. Okay, I'm gonna try these two on together, I think, with the same pants that I'm wearing. So let's see. Yeah, so this tank top feels so nice. Let me show you up close here, if you can see that. Sorry, this is a weird angle, but this feels so good on. I feel like it accentuates like your neck area very well. So something for this too is that I'm glad that I got a size large. I feel like if you're looking for like a fitted tank top, a size lower is nice for this because it does have that stretch. And then if I wanted like a more loose, you know, easy breezy tank top, I would get like my regular size or something, but I like it. Okay, this one, I think this one is the one although I wanted these the most because they were the most practical to me, I was most excited about this. I'm a jacket freak. Also, can I mention really quickly, I was just sitting on the floor in these pants, and a struggle that I have because I have, you know, pets and pet hair is that I always am walking around, especially when I'm wearing trousers, for some reason the trouser material always attracts it, and it's so hard to get off even with lint roller. These, I literally had like cat and dog hair on because like my rug obviously gets it stuck to it, and I literally just wiped it off, and because of the material, they're like, I don't know what the material is, it's more of like a sport flex. You know what I'm saying? Like that golf pant material, that's what it kind of reminds me more of than like a wool or like anything else, I think, which I think is great, and so I'm happy with that. I just thought I would mention if you guys have pets and pet hair struggles. Anyway, this is amazing. I keep looking at it in the mirror, so I'm looking over here because, I mean, this is perfect. I am glad I went with a size above my normal because as I'm like zipping this, not that I normally zip my jackets like this, but I feel like it would have been a little bit tight. I feel like it could have been a little bit tighter here if I were to, you know, got my normal size. But I obviously probably wouldn't wear it like that. I would probably like judge it up like this or something. And this thing is so freaking cute. Okay, I know something about it makes it so special to me. I feel like I don't have any jackets like this. Let me unzip it, and then there we go. I love it. Again, 10 out of 10 for these two, no complaints. I like that this is a pocket that you can actually use as well. Like, I wonder what fits in here. Does my phone fit? Oh, you guys, my phone fits. Not that I would ever use that, but it does fit. Anyway, I think it's super cute. I like that it's a zip up too and not like buttons down the front. And overall, I just really like it. The detailing is really nice. It reminds me of like a vintage like What are those jackets? Hold on. Okay, the shape reminds me of a vintage bowling jacket. I love it. Again, it's a 10 out of 10. No complaints here. I feel like I could get away with wearing this in the spring and summer because it's like not very heavy, but you could also layer under it because the sleeves are so puffy. If you can see that, like my arm stops there. I'm happy. I'm so happy, you guys. Okay, so we have two more things. Two more. I did end up getting the Breezy shirt, and everyone, it looked like so many people had the Breezy shirt in white, and I was like so drawn to it because, you know, that would be a really nice staple. However, I was like, you know what? I feel like for me, the more practical version would be a black because I get things that are white dirty, especially like shirts like that. And so I just felt like the black might be better for me right now. So what drew me to the Breezy shirt, rather than just like the normal button downs that I find at the thrift store or like I buy regularly, is that this seemed so boxy and like perfectly fitted. So that's kind of why I was super tempted to try it. And so we're going to try it out here. For some reason I thought it was going to be more of like a just basic cotton shirt. This feels more of like a polo. If you've ever gotten like a polo button down, how it's a little bit more textured rather than just like that super fine, thin, flat material. I'm so bad with the description, but I hope you know what I'm saying. Okay, so it's 100% organic cotton, machine wash, max 30 degrees Celsius, do not bleach, do not tumble dry. Anyway, it's just different than what I thought it was going to be, which I'm actually excited about because this feels a lot nicer than I thought it would. And then the last thing are these pants. So these ones I am so unsure about. I don't wear a lot of tan, but I figured this might be fun to try. They're the first choice pants in grayish. I like the word grayish. I feel like these are going to be nice. They're definitely different than these. I think what makes them different from the favorite pants are the pleats. See the pleats that these ones have right here? In comparison to these, they don't have them. These are more of like, almost reminds me of like a nicer version of a dickie, but not that material. They're the same or similar material to this. They're very stretchy. I'm intrigued. This is the back. They only have like one pocket, which I like as well. You guys, this shirt, it's no joke. Everyone has been raving about it, and it really is so nice. Like the fit of it, it's so different. Like I've said, I've had so many just basic button-down shirts like this, but the fit of this, it's not too long. I like that it goes straight across, as you can see. More of a boxy feel. It's just, again, very breezy. It's going to be so nice in the summer. I just know it because it's like, you feel like the air will just breeze right through it. Another thing that I like about Djerf Avenue is that they have like their logo on everything, but in a very subtle way. I don't even know if you can see that on the camera, but it's stitched on there in black thread. Okay, love, that's it buttoned up a little bit. And this is the back of it, how it fits there. Get no complaints. This is how the cuffs look. I'm also glad that I sized up in this just because the purpose of the shirt for me in my closet was to have like a relaxed shirt I can just throw on with a tank top and jeans and like feel good in during any season. So that's why I chose this, and I'm glad I did. If I wanted a more structured fit, I would have definitely gone with my normal size, but yeah. And then as far as the pants go, I'm impressed. I like them a lot more than I thought I would. However, I'm contemplating, like, I'm going to keep everything. I didn't go into this thinking I was going to return anything, but I'm thinking about exchanging these for a size bigger just so I can have a more oversized look. I don't know. I don't think I've exchanged anything in the past few years, but I really like the pants, and so I want to, you know, reach for them a lot. But other than that, like, they do fit very true to size. I will say that. I think just if you wanted an oversized look, one size above might be helpful. And nonetheless, I really like how high-waisted they are. I like the simple details, again, that it's just like you can't see any buttons, you can't see the zipper. Again, the length is really nice. They fit perfectly. I'd have wanted them any shorter or longer, literally perfect. And I just like them. They're very comfortable. Again, more of like, they're definitely stretchier than the favorite pants. So yeah, anyway, here, I'll come back over here. But yeah, so that is my Djerf Avenue haul. Overall, my thoughts are that I'm really impressed. I like everything that I've gotten. I think I'm going to get so much wear out of each piece with other pieces in my closet, but also with each other. And it feels like very much so in the realm of what the price is. Like if I can compare the pieces to other things in their price range, I feel like it's very on par to that. I knew I was going to love the pieces, but I really, really love them. They feel really nice. I cannot wait to wear them. If you guys want to see me style them, Make sure you subscribe down below because I'm sure they'll be featured in upcoming outfit videos, that kind of thing. On here, and then also on Instagram, I'm sure I'll be styling them up, posting. If you want to follow me there at Cup of Jordy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. If you have anything from here, if you have anything that you are looking for on there, or your thoughts. So I can't wait to see you next time. Thank you so much for being here. Love you. Bye.